Hi guys, welcome back to Desi Bits and Pieces. I just wanted to share this one contraption that my husband 3D printed. I just want you guys to see how it looks like. I'm just crocheting away. Come join me in my crochet journey. I'm actually making a scarf, so just join me as I crochet away. I'm also here to share with you guys this new device that is 3D printed by my husband. If you guys can see, when I pull on the yarn, it actually just rotates for me. Usually I have trouble pulling the yarn, but this just pulls right for me. I don't have any problem with this. I don't have to pull it in a bowl. I don't have to do any of that. It's so late in the night, guys. I cannot talk to you much because my husband is sleeping in the next room over. But you guys can be here in this journey watching me knit. Not knit, crochet. Turning the work around. It's all about single crochet and double crochet. All I'm doing is single crochet and double crochet. Sometimes when it is such a dark yarn, it's hard to see. I usually work with lighter color yarns, so I am struggling a little bit when it comes to working with a completely black yarn. It's hard to see. This 3D printed yarn revolver is absolutely amazing. I love it. I have gotten done so much work. I've crocheted so much of this because I don't have to keep unwinding the ball of yarn.